You can see as soon as I step in that 5-meter range, it will activate the sensor. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are here to do unboxing and review of this radar motion alarm system from LETWESAF. So yeah, this is sent to us to be reviewed, and let's open the box. So this is available from Amazon, and if you like this product, you can press the link in the description below, and it will go to the Amazon, and it will give me a 10% commission. Alright, so what's in the box? Let's open it. Alright, here the box is the user manual here, and the QR code to access on how to use this one, or just watch this video so that you know how to set this up. So we have here the receiver and the detector. So the detector have this 3/4 inch like screw if you want to put it in a stand, and with the hardware has this adhesive, this screw if you want to place it in a fixed location, the USB-A to USB-C cable, and last one is here, this mounting bracket. So here is what I'm saying. If you want to also install it in a like fix in the wall, you can screw it here and then put it in a tree or wall if you're in a campsite. You can also use let's say ratcheting tie or something that you can attach in a tree because you're in a campsite. Let's start to set this up. So to pair these two, you have to press the power button in the receiver and the detector. Press them for 3 seconds. Okay, and then you will see there's a flashing orange here, and this one have a flashing blue. So now to pair them, select the corresponding number that you want. I only have one detector, so I can press 1, but if you have a lot of detector, you press 2, 3, and 4. For now, I'll set this up for number 1 or first detector. Press the 1 and then press the pair probe button here in the receiver and pair probe in the detector. Okay, now it's pairing. Now it shows green, so it means it's detected already or paired. Okay, now it's detected. So let's say you detected it detected something and you want this to be silent. You can press the power button twice. Now let's try the detection with the distance. So for now, I'll be using this mini tripod with a 3/4 inch thread to hold this detector. But you can always tie this in a tree. Maybe you use some rope or something that or a string. You can tie it here and put it on top of the tree, or if you have a tripod or something, or that included hardware where you can fix this or install it fixed on the wall. For now, I'm going to use this just for the testing. So I placed the detector in front, and the default setting is 5-meter detection in front of the detector. So I'm holding the receiver. You can see as soon as I step in that 5-meter range, it will activate the sensor and it's giving me a signal in the receiver. So on the left side, it will be 2 meters from the center line. So from here, I'll go through the 2-meter side. Here. So from the center line to here is 2 meters, and on the other side is the same. On the left side will be 2 meters. So that's the default setting, but it can go to 15 meters in the center by changing the set point for the probe. So to set up the specific range that you want, maximum is 15 meters or 50 feet. So I'll press the number 1 and then press this probe setting. Then go to the range where you want it to be. You can see I move it a little bit backwards. If you can see that one on that side, and I'll be coming from this side, around 10 or 15 meters. I think it's 15 meters now. Here. As soon as I enter the 10 or 15 meters, it will set up the alarm. So yeah, it's working good, but it's better to be used on a high position. So this is a good product for camping to make sure you're safe from the bears or any animals or intruders in your camper. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.